Big power, tiny package. Meet the Firebat T8 Pro Plus Mini PC, the compact beast that's redefining performance. Blazing fast performance. Intel Celeron N5095 N100 ensures smooth gaming and seamless multitasking. Triple monitor support. Boost your productivity in gaming with 3 HDMI outputs. Expandable storage. Up to 2 TB SSD means endless space for games and files. High-speed connectivity. Wi-Fi 5, Dual LAN, and Bluetooth 4.2 keep you connected always. Compact and whisper quiet. Fits anywhere. Runs ultra-silent. Ditch the bulky desktops. Upgrade to the Firebat T8 Pro Plus Mini PC today. Get yours now. Link in bio.